Alright, so welcome back to another video on Python. We're continuing the data structures for Python. Today we are going to be talking about the sets in Python. So what are the sets in Python? So we can easily define them as sets are the unordered collection of unique elements, or we can also define them as lists with no duplicate values. So we can see them. Okay, so first, if you want to create a set out of a list, how we declare it? Well, we'll do the very simple thing. We're going to just say list one. Let's declare the same list as we did before, and let's give it 1 3 4. Let's repeat this value 1 5 3 4. So I am deliberately actually repeating these values. So now if I convert this into a set, so what do you think will happen? What do you think will happen? Or if I just store it in an element, that's how we do. And let's print set1. So what do you think is going to happen? What's in your mind? Any idea? As I defined, the set is a collection of unique elements with no duplicate values. We can see this here. Let's see. It says list one not found. What mistake did I did? Oh, alright, has a spelling mistake I did. It should work now. It should be good. There we go. You see here, he has returned, the Python has returned the values only 1 3 4 5, the unique values. So this set is giving us and returning us the unique values here without any duplication and replication. Alright, so let's look at the further on the set. So we can also find the length of the set by simply using the keyword of len. So let me show you. So if I store this in a variable and see the length of the set 1, it is going to return the length. So let me print the length 1. Alright, so one thing you should note, I am storing these values in the variables. It's because in order to make you guys understand better, I can just directly print them on the screen, but in order to tell you that this length is being stored in this length 1 variable, and then I'm printing this variable in order to understand further. Let me just comment this out, the previous one, and it should work. Here we go. It has returned 4, which means that the length of this set is 4. Which set? We are talking about the set from these lists without any repetition, which is 1 3 4 and 5 unique elements, and that's how it returned us the 4. Now if you further move, I will show you about a keyword which is known as in keyword. What is? Alright, so let me just store this in a variable in1, in which I'm going to check if 3 is in set 1. So it is going to return us if whether the 3 is present in that, and if we print the result, it should give us true. Here we go. It has returned true to us, which indicates that 3 is present in the set. One more thing to point here is that sets are mutable. It means you can add values to them. For example, if I add, I will be using the keyword 1. If I have a set 1, if I press dot, which is an access operator, and then I press add, so it is going to add what? A value, for example 6. And if now we print set 1, see the 6 has been added. Just leave it. The 6 has been added into the set. Well, there is one more method which is known as remove. As set 1 added sixth element, and now if we remove the 6th element from set1 dot remove, and this should remove 6, and then if we print the set1, the 6th element would not be here. Now see, the 6th element was added and then we removed the 6th element. So that's how it works. So that's it from the basic introduction of the sets. I think it's enough and it should be good. And we are going to be covering set methods in the next video.